Welcome back, everybody. We're here again. We're back here with the Honduck. Right now we're going to be working on getting the windows and the regulators out of the back doors, gutting everything we can out of there, and I guess then we just cut the door frames, right?
Zip zap.
Little zip zap, slip slap. What did you do?
I was just trying to get the window out. I broke them.
Dude, you know how hard those are to get in these cars now?
Great.
You can't find them.
Might as well just pull it all out.
Oh my god,
And
car
then just,
cop.
just, fuck it all. How did it come out?
Maybe we do use the sledgehammer.
I'm in.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Don't throw me with a good time.
I mean, it's gonna be a big old mess. I mean, this thing's
Yeah.
already a big old mess. All right, now.
Yeet.
Oh God, it's filthy.
So deer tag.
Now we can.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Yay! We did it! Alright, get this regulator out. I'm actually gonna unplug this for safety reasons.
For what?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure we. Hey, whoa.
I got it.
Sometimes violence is the answer.
Brute force and ignorance works, alright?
Now we're windowless and regulatorless and wireless. And I'm thinking.
Okay, so now we're gonna remove these dang old door frames. Boom. Boom. And that's why we left so much here, is because we didn't want to do a one and only cut. You know, we want to make sure we have stuff to work with. You can always remove, you can never put back. In this case, we could put back, but that'd be a big pain in the ass. No. That doesn't sound fun at all.
You ready? That's violent.
That got a little sketchy. Oh, we're still gonna.
Maybe we'll do this on that side first.
Do what?
The lower piece and then do that. Like a glove.
That looks even more like a truck now.
Yep. We'll start with that one and wear it out. I'll get a whole new blade right there.
as you can see, now mind you, we're not body experts. We don't do body work. And a lot of this is eyeballing and a little bit of measurement. But I think we got this pretty fucking good. You can see, wait, hold on. Coco! Bubba dog! Oh, hi. Oh, okay, bye. So, we got this flush. We're just going to have to get some of this, like this little stuff here. But it actually follows the line pretty damn well. That's the side I did. This is what Karkov just did. Pretty even, if you ask me. A little bit of measuring with some painter's tape. We're good. So we're gonna make some templates now, probably with more cardboard. There's some more hanging around here somewhere from this box, but we'll make a template for the bed rail that's gonna come along here. Trim this up a little bit too, and then do it for both sides, and we should be good with that. Yeah. I see you're the squirrel that actually got and busted your nut, huh?
Oh.
All right, and we got to make a run to Home Depot too. It worked though, so it worked pretty fucking well. All right, so Home Depot run.
Home Depot run. Oh.
All right. Back from Home Depot. I got wood. So yeah, so we're gonna use this instead of buying the square tube or square pipe that I was gonna get for this. We're gonna use this first to mock everything up, because that shit's expensive, and if we mess it up, we're kind of screwed, and I don't want to waste the money. So we're using this. We're gonna cut it up, try to get the whole bed framed up for the actual piece that we're gonna set in it to make it flat. And then we're gonna go from there. So we're gonna get this all chopped up and squared up in here, and we're gonna see how it's looking. All right, so we just cut up. I got two. What are they? 1x1s.
Something like that. Yep.
12-foot 1x1s that we're using to frame everything. So just for one 12-footer, we got two of these long boys, and the extra that was left fit perfectly between. Well, a couple hairs off, but for right now, what we're doing fit perfectly in between the two where they have to sit. So yeah, we're gonna screw these together, and then we're gonna chop up that one right there a little bit more to frame it up a little bit better. So it's kind of boring shit. You really don't need to see this happening, but you done split the wood.
Guess we're gonna have to drill some holes first.
Yep. That's fine. Yeah, so this is the boring shit. We're gonna do this, and we'll be back when it's all framed up. So we did a super duper rough frame job. I mean, that's nowhere near what it's gonna be support wise, but the big thing is windowing off to the fuel pump access and making a little hatch so you can replace the fuel pump without dropping the damn tank if need be. So we got that for now. We got to actually, or at least me on a day that I have off, if not we can probably both go on a Sunday. Do you need anything from the junkyard? Is there any parts you need?
Not at the moment.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure there's always something I need.
Of course, it's the junkyard.
It's a junkyard.
So one of these upcoming days, we gotta head out to the junkyard because I need to find a hatch to seal off the cab. That's literally the next biggest thing that needs to get done. So
We'll have to take some measurements
yeah.
so we can get something as close as possible to it.
So, because then once we get that done, like I said, that's the next biggest step. Really, I mean, because all this stuff back here is going to be a lot easier than getting everything fitted, getting cab corners put on to just seal off the entire cabin of the car. So we got a lot more to go, But she's shaping up. She's shaping up real nice. And obviously, once we're done and got all that shit going, we can actually shave the doors into the body, turn it into a 2-door, and make it look even more like a truck. So we got a lot more coming. That's gonna do it for this video. So if you want to keep up to date, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also stream on Twitch if you have any questions, or I guess any ideas you could really give us. You can find me on Twitch at MeanManMongo, and that's every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.